In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Baby Einstein Dine and Discover Booster. I have it right here. It's recommended for 6 months all the way up to 3 years. It comes with a rattle toy that you can actually take on the go. It doesn't have to always be on this booster. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I want to show you guys everything that comes inside. So I just pulled everything out the box. As you guys can see right here, we do have the manual, so it does come with the manual. It also comes with a cool little thing for kids. It's like a fun fact, and it's about the toys that it comes with are actually rattles. So let me take these out real quick. Okay, so these are the rattles, and you guys, they're suction cups, so they actually go onto the tray. So we're gonna be putting these on at the very end. So now this is the actual seat that you guys have here. So you can see it does have this soft cushion right here, and this actually comes off. So when the kids they get older, they're gonna need some more room. So when this comes off, it's gonna be for kids up to 3 years of age. So I really like how they made that, how it's nice and soft for little kids, and then they made it for even bigger kids. You guys can see that this is the seat belt right here. All it is the clips. Clip them from both sides, and you guys can see, you just clip them right back in. Okay, it keeps them nice and safe in there. Let me turn it around. And you guys have the clip that you could actually put on the seat. So this goes all the way around the seat, a chair, and then it could go on there, and then so it's nice and secure. And then this is even gonna be another one that clips onto the sides. So it clips on this side, and then another one that clips on this side, and then that goes under the seat. So in this case, it would go under this table here, and then it would clip in the middle to make it nice and secure, okay? So first, what we need to do is we need to take the tray out. So this is where the tray is. All you have to do is pull, okay, just like that. This is the tray. You can see a little cup holder right here. Let's put this off to the side for a second. Now we're gonna flip the booster around, and you guys could see that the seat is kind of like, the top part of the seat is hidden in here. All we have to do is pull this out, like so. Okay, and you guys can see the same thing. It's that nice soft green material here. That way your kid is gonna be nice and comfy in there. So now we just line this up and push it down. You guys can hear the snaps, so now it just got taller, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I just made sure everything was tucked in here so it's nice and tight and flush. Okay, so now we get the tray, and all we have to do is slide it in like so. Okay, heard a little click. So it is nice and ready to go. If you guys want to take it out, all you have to do is push those buttons on both sides just like that, and it slides right out. Okay, you guys can see the buttons right there. So now you have the tray. The baby is ready to eat. So you can actually feed your baby right there. And before we put the toys on, I did want to say that there is a compartment all the way in the bottom, and this is where the seat belt goes. So I'm going to be using that for the extra seat belt that it came with here until we're ready to put it on a chair. Okay, so now I want to show you guys that the rattles, all they have to do is push it down like this, and you could kind of twist it, and so they could just play with these all day long right here. I think that's pretty cool that it comes included. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I definitely recommend this booster.